SOLIDWORKS 2018 introduces new ways you can utilize data from other sources, including mesh data in a variety of formats such as STL, OBJ, and additive manufacturing files. These files offer more possibilities than ever before. Starting with the new Surface from Mesh feature, you can quickly select faces from your mesh data and turn them into SOLIDWORKS surfaces, offering all of the capabilities that you have come to expect from SOLIDWORKS geometry. You can now also turn your mesh data into a new mesh body type. Like solid bodies, you can apply materials, retrieve accurate mass properties, and quickly cross-section the geometry. But more importantly, you can take mesh data much further with powerful new workflows for modifying your mesh data, like adding SOLIDWORKS features and geometry to these files. SOLIDWORKS also allows you to convert traditional solid bodies to mesh bodies, allowing you to perform common tasks such as Boolean operations to further manipulate your mesh geometry. And like any other SOLIDWORKS file, these can be inserted into your assemblies and mated into position like any other component, meaning you can now directly use your mesh data within all of your SOLIDWORKS designs.